A walk in the nature, sleeping under an open sky, taking flight with a brightly colored butterfly that has the capability to calm your inner self. Feeling the raindrops on your face, find your own rhythm and peace. Fluttering with clouds on high over valleys and hills, I have found the heaven because from the world it has kept me safe and sound. Reaching top of the hills, mighty trees and a vast forest inspire the feelings of insignificance. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, dancing with the breeze. The beauty of Mother Nature is extremely beautiful and pure. I came to realization one cannot skip the ups and downs of life, but one can always find calm in nature. One can always find comfort and clarity. And when you learn to carry the Mother Nature within you, there is part of you which feels at home. Being connected with nature results in some amazing changes inside your head, which begin to calm you and soothe your nerves. Just sit and be with this beautiful nature. Give your thoughts some wings. Adventure to the unknown, to a place of beauty and wonder. Life can be overwhelming at times. Beautiful nature can be reflective of all the amazing sights. Embrace the peaceful aura. Let it relax your mind and soul. Don't talk, don't try, don't make sense of it all. Just feel, just be. Nature has something to say each of us, and each of us says something unique. To me, it says, be as I am. Don't trade who you are for who you think the world needs, because this beautiful Mother Nature needs you to be you, just you.